In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Drive with a hard drive. We will use Google Drive for desktop so your files stay updated in both places. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Give it a moment so your system recognizes it. You should see it appear in your File Explorer with its own drive letter or name. Remember which drive this is because you will need to pick it from a list in a later step. Once that is ready, install Google Drive for desktop. If you already have it installed, you can simply open it instead. After installation, Google Drive for desktop usually adds an icon near your system clock and may also create a new drive in your File Explorer. This desktop app is what keeps Google Drive and your hard drive in sync in the background. Now sign in with your Google account. Use the same Google account that holds the drive files you want to sync. After you sign in, you should see a short setup or a small window confirming your account. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check the email address shown so you sync the correct drive. Next, click the Google Drive icon in your taskbar or system tray. On Windows, this is near the clock. On Mac, it is near the top right. When you click it, a small panel opens, usually showing recent file activity and a settings gear. From there, click the settings gear, then choose Preferences. This opens the main Google Drive for desktop settings window. You will see sections for content from your computer and from Drive, each with their own options. Preferences is where you control how syncing behaves. In the Preferences window, select Folders from Drive. This section focuses on how My Drive is stored on your computer. You may see a simple layout listing My Drive options, so make sure you are on the Drive side, not the computer side. Under My Drive syncing options, choose Mirror Files. When you choose Mirror Files, Drive stores copies of your My Drive files on your computer. Unlike Stream Mode, mirrored files live directly on your external hard drive and stay available even when offline. Now choose the location on your external hard drive where you want your Google Drive files stored. Browse through your drives and select your external one, not your internal disk. Many beginners accidentally pick their main system drive, so look for the correct drive letter or name before you continue. Click Save or confirm the location. After you confirm, Google Drive for desktop begins preparing the folder and will start syncing. You should see a progress indicator in the Google Drive panel as files copy over. Leave the external hard drive connected while synchronization is taking place. Large drives can take a long time, especially on slower connections. While syncing runs, you can still use your computer, but avoid unplugging the drive until the sync indicator shows it is finished. If you already have a folder on your external hard drive, you can have Google Drive for desktop sync that folder. This is useful when the folder already contains important files you want backed up to Google Drive without moving them first. Connect the external hard drive. Make sure the same drive with your existing folder is attached and visible in your File Explorer. If the system remapped the drive letter since last time, note the new one so you choose the right folder. Open Google Drive for desktop. Click its icon near the clock to bring up the main panel. If it prompts you to sign in again, use the same Google account as before so everything stays under one drive. Click the Settings gear, then Preferences. Just like earlier, this opens the configuration window. Now you will focus on the area that handles folders coming from your computer instead of from Drive. In the Preferences window, select Folders from your computer. Here you see any local folders currently syncing to Google Drive. If this list is empty, you are starting fresh, which is totally fine. Click Add Folder. A file picker window opens so you can navigate through your drives. You will use this to point Google Drive for desktop at your existing folder on the external drive. Select the folder on your external hard drive. Take your time and open the external drive, then click the exact folder you want to keep in sync. If you pick the wrong folder, that whole folder will sync, so make sure the folder name matches what you expect. Choose Sync with Google Drive. After you pick this option, a small summary shows how this folder will behave, including that changes in either location will match the other. This means new files you drop into the folder will appear in Google Drive as well. Confirm the settings. Once you confirm, Google Drive for desktop starts uploading that local folder and will later download any changes from Google Drive into it. You can watch the sync progress from the taskbar icon, and when it finishes, the folder and its online copy stay linked. You have now mirrored your My Drive to an external hard drive and set up an existing folder to sync with Google Drive. If this helped you get your drive talking smoothly to your hard drive, please give the video a quick thumbs up. and consider subscribing for more clear Google Drive tutorials.